Cloudhub, the Anypoint VPC architecture with a dedicated load balancer. You can configure here you can see the Anypoint VPC architecture with the dedicated load balancer. You can configure a dedicated load balancer inside your VPC, which allows you to provide custom certificates and optionally enforce a two-way SSL. Allows you to two-way SSL client authentication. If you configure proxy rules that map your applications to the custom domains, you can, for example, host everything under single vanity domain. This graphic shows the Anypoint VPC architecture with the dedicated load balancer. Cloudhub dedicated load balancer is assigned to a particular Anypoint VPC. Dedicated load balancer then routes the traffic to that particular Anypoint VPC. Within the particular service region of the VPC. Each dedicated load balancer has a DNS record. ib-name.lb.anypointsdns.net or lb name lb-prod eu.rt.anypointdns.net for EU control plane. That resolves the two public IP addresses of its two instances. Through your DNS provider, you can add a CNAME record point into the dedicated A record and use your own domain names to access it. The DNS A record can also be reached from outside the VPC. Additionally, a Cloudhub dedicated load balancer has an internal domain name to be used by the applications and clients within the Anypoint VPC. The structure is internal -lb-name.lb.anypoints.dns.net. Here you can see public internet is connected to SSL endpoint. Here http://api.yourdomain.com/app-name. Here the dedicated load balancer and mapping rules and DNS record and firewall rules and worker app names are in VPC. Here the DNS record and SSL endpoints interacts with the two-way TLS, and here you can here the internal -lb-name.lb be anypoint.net /app name. This DNS record, this DNS record interacts with the IP sec tunnel, VPC peering, and direct interact via direct connect for the internal network. And here the dedicated load balance is connected to mapping rules. Here the lb name dot lb anypoint.net /app name and app name .cloudhub.io. Here mapping rules are connected to DNS record via 8091 80 HTTP and 8092 443 HTTPS. Here the DNS record, here the HTTP :// mule worker internal app name .region cloudhub.io 8091 and 92. The DNS record is connected to firewall, and firewall is connected to app worker app name. Here the VPC and DNS record and shared load balance are in Cloudhub. Here the 8081 80 HTTP 882 443 HTTPs are connected to DNS record. Here HTTP :// mule worker app name .region .cloudhub.io port. Here the DNS record is in shared load balancer, and here the HTTP :// app name .region .cloudhub.io. Now this is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for watching it.